Okay, so I'm doing a drop test on these. Have these jars here. I got 3 of them alike. We're using 3 different kinds, and we'll do 2 different drops to see what does the best. First one will be all peanuts. You know, the classic. Everybody had to have peanuts, you know, in the 80s. Be all peanuts in that one. This one got nothing but paper. Just a new way to go because peanuts are supposedly not so eco-friendly. And I've got this wrapped once with the waffle air, and the rest of it is the paper fill. Doing that, and putting that in there. And this one has this, and just on the bottom, 2 layers here, wrapped with this. And I'm going to put 2-inch bubble. Let's see here. The idea on all these is to get a minimum of 2 inches all the way around, top, bottom, and sides. 2 inches of padding. And these jars are about 4 inches. And I've got 8 by 8 by 8. But this is 4, so that gives you 2, 2, 2, 2. Then on the top and the bottom. This may be too much. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that down just a little bit. Let's see, we'll cut these in half. Like so. Yep. And that ought to still give us 2 inches. That. Alright, so send that in. There's a jar. That's 4 inches. Right there. Right there here. And keep it tight. Keep that tight without popping a bubble. Boy, that stuff is strong. There we go. It is strong. That still leaves that. That fits there. And I need some more on this side. Need some more. I've got about 1 inch there. I've got plenty on this side. And more here and more here. So, go all the way around here. That adds enough on that side. This folder will give enough on the other side. Yeah, and I just need it on the very top. See, so far, 2, 2, 2, 2. And this plus what's on the jar, give you 2 on the top. And I've got 2 inches all the way around everywhere else except for this one. Some more on that one. Just a little more. Fluff it up a little better. Fluff it up. Yeah, 2 inches all the way around is what Post-Lanex recommends. Go 3 or 4 if it's extremely delicate, like China or something. I'm going to do this. Take it up. I'm going 1 there. I'm going to go 2 there, a little on each side. I'm going to go side to side here. That's the most vulnerable point of the box, right there on the edge. Most vulnerable. Now, I want to know if you guys want to bet which one's going to do better. This is the one with the fill, the paper fill. One with peanut. Peanuts are there. This is all air bubbles. Bubbles. This is all peanuts. All peanuts. Which one do you think is going to do better? I'm going to pause it just for a second, and then we'll get set up to do the first drop. All right, so this is the one that's all with the paper fill. You know, the new way that all the Save the Planet people want us to use. So it's just going to drop from here. It's about a 10-foot ceiling, so about a 9-foot drop. Sounded fine, didn't it? Just air bubbles. 9-foot drop. Sounded fine. It's just peanuts. Just peanuts. And that sounded fine. So we're going to go over to the roof. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. See you in a minute. Paper fill.
Yeah.
All right. The reveal, and I promise you, we just came from the roof here. We've not tampered with these at all, have we, Lila?
No.
This is the one with the paper fill. This is the last one we dropped. I really should be wearing my gloves. We're going to have to put it on pause for a minute so we get this phone call.
No.
All right, so while we had to get the phone, I went ahead and took a chance to get these A5 gloves on. Should have had them on in the first place. Good example from my teammate here, my lovely daughter. You can literally get this and cut like that and it won't cut. So very good. So I'm doing the big reveal. This one with the paper and a little air bubble drift one in the middle. See how it did after the drop. Looking pretty good. Look there. Look at that. Like I promised, that's all it was. Look at that. Alright, that's this side. And which one do we do next? This is all air bubbles. All air bubbles. Main reason I'm doing this is for you. So when you're packing them at home, you know the best way to do it. Also because we've had some things that UPS or FedEx come back and say that they were packed improperly and they were broken and they try to give the person 0 credit. Alright, here we're going back, taking off the 2 inches worth of padding all the way around. Look at it. Feeling pretty good to me. Look at that. And this was wrapped with all this. It's personally my favorite way to do it. You got this. And along with this foam, which is also in the very bottom, you see. That's to absorb the initial shock. We'll cut this. Look at there. Look at there. Someone here?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Look at that. One more to go. Are any of them gonna be broken? Heck, this is all peanuts. How are we, 40 feet up?
No, never.
You come on in, man. Mr. Tyler, the man from Japan, and he's great as the bait. Peanuts. Get some of them out here. Right, there it is. It's like cereal box in the morning, you know, when you get the new box, you empty it all out to get the tool. Look at that. None broken. And I've had people, like especially a post office, deny a claim saying that I didn't pack it properly. And you can see now, from 40 feet up, no breakage. So what did they do at the post office?